He's a qualified ENT surgeon and a 3-time MLA for the BJP. He's also the BJP's chief ministerial candidate for Delhi. Let's go and meet Dr. Harshvardhan. Hello. Kaise hai, sir? How are you? Good to meet you once again. Oh. You are a very early morning riser, I'm told.
Yeah, I get up at 6 actually.
Wow.
So, लेकिन आपको जो है.
Do you at all get a normal life, like, you know, watching a film, reading a book, meeting friends and family? Or is all of that on pause right now?
Every day, in 24 hours, you have 48 hours of work to do. So naturally, the casualty is the personal relationship, family, and all these things.
So is that all you eat in the morning? I mean, just one bowl of
that's mine.
Of dal. So if we, sir, maybe we'll just go down and
चली जाए. कैसे? बस ठीक है, आप बताओ.
बच्चे की रैली के साथ जाऊंगी.
अच्छा, अरे अब रैली नहीं, आप घर में बैठ के आशीर्वाद दे दोगे, हमारे लिए वही बहुत है, जो है ना. है? अच्छा, आपकी वाइफ है? किस लिए आए हैं?
I have to ask you about that photograph there. There's definitely Dr. Harshvardhan in a very different uniform out there.
You see, this is a photograph.
Sorry, was that a catch out or was that a 6?
No, I think I scored a 6 most probably. I don't remember.
I see a lot of trophies out there, sir. I mean, these are now your medical achievements, your sporting achievements.
They are achievements from all.
Mementos.
They are achievements from all sectors. अम्मा, मैं आपको लेके नहीं जाऊंगा क्योंकि आपको हमने तकलीफ नहीं देनी है. आप हमें बस आशीर्वाद दो. डोर टू डोर.
हाँ जी, मैं डोर टू डोर करती हूँ नमस्कार.
तो दिन में कितनी बार होता है ये?
2 बार करती हूँ मैं, 8 से 11 बजे तक, फिर शाम को 4 से 7.
तो इनफैक्ट डॉक्टर साहब, बिकॉज अब सीएम कैंडिडेट हैं, उनकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज और बढ़ गई हैं, तो ये आई थिंक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आप पे सौंपी गई है.
हाँ, ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मुझ पर, मैं हर बार पूरा एरिया करती हूँ. वही नहीं आए, एक बार आए जब आए.
अरे माता जी, 174 मोहल्ले कितनी बार आएंगे? जो ऐसी 184 मोहल्ले हैं ऐसे, और यहाँ कम से कम 5 साल में 10 बार आया.
गली की जान है.
क्या हाल है, कैसे? अरे चल.
Let me ask you a trade secret. The fact that you're a doctor, do you think that's gone to your advantage, that you also have patients in this area?
I have patients even while I had contested the election 20 years back. I had my patients all over.
So part of the prescription is also vote for the doctor, is it?
I have never sought votes because I am a doctor.
And anti-incumbency, is that something that's going to go in your favor?
Anti-incumbency because the government has failed on all the fronts. My very significant complaint against the present government is that they have been very casual in settling issues. They have not actually gone into the depth of the things. If things can be good all over the world, why can't they be good in India's capital? That's what I feel. यहाँ से left लो.
दिल्ली के हमारे भावी मुख्यमंत्री, दिल्ली की जनता ने जितना मन बना लिया है कि 10 तारीख को.
Sachin, very often, I see families coming together. Obviously, now your dad's insisting you're not a politician. Perhaps he wants a different line for you, but you are helping him out.
Yes, I am. Like for the past, since he was declared, I had my exam that day, and since then I've been free. So I thought I'll just help him out with.
As far as your father is concerned, what are the things that you look up to him as? I mean, the kind of values.
His hard work, his down to earth image, and probably everything.
So if you had a complaint with your dad, what would it be?
He doesn't have time for us. That's it. Nothing else.
In terms of sheer logistics now, sir, I'm sure every candidate wants you to now come, show your presence. Is that a big challenge for you?
That's really a tall order to be available everywhere.
Would it have helped if your name was announced earlier, if the candidates were announced earlier?
You see, the candidates are always announced like this only. As the election is advancing further and further towards the 4th of December deadline, there is growing realization that BJP is coming back to power. That's my
let me put it to you this way, had the Aam Aadmi Party not been around, would it have been easier for the BJP?
This new entrant into Delhi politics will not have significantly concrete, I think, things in their bag at the end of the day.
As a Delhi wala also, the parts of this city you must love as well. People talk about the food. So do you have any favorites? Do you have any favorite haunts where you may be seen?
Pandara Road.
Okay.
We have been going there for so many years.
What about your personal times? I was talking to Sachin some time back. I asked him if he had any complaint, what would that complaint be? And he said the only complaint I have is the fact that I don't think we've got enough time with you.
I think that's my only regret in life, because when I was asked to enter politics in 1993, my children were very young. Most of the time that they actually deserved and should have been given by me, I probably could not give them that time. The whole responsibility for that has been taken up by my wife.
It's not easy being Dr. Harshvardhan. And now Dr. Harshvardhan, the BJP's nominee for the post of the Chief Minister. I mean, I'm sure far more sleepless nights as you're getting them.
No, I'm not worried about the elections because I'm a very relaxed man. I don't get tense about things easily.
While Dr. Harshvardhan may have devoted most of his time to party politics, one thing that really grabs the attention, that of course is the interest in the medical field. Most of these people out here, in fact, are ad hoc nurses, male and female nurses. Most of them have not been given permanent jobs, and that's why they've actually come here to listen to Dr. Harshvardhan. And as you can see, for the last at least 20 minutes, he's been making that impassioned speech. Off the record, Dr. Harshvardhan says if he didn't really have a job in politics, he'd definitely be a doctor, but he's saying that he wants to combine both of them and provide a healing touch to society at large.